I'm moving to Naples, Florida to be a custom painter at a restoration shop. It's kind of like something out of my wildest dreams. I didn't think I would actually get here. But WyoTech prepared me through courses that I took, collision and refinishing, and then street rod, which both are heavy on painting. Also just street rod really inspires you to think outside the box, doing custom work, whether it's metal fabrication or custom paint. Getting to see female instructors here was really special to me too, just to have that influence and see how the stigma around female technicians doesn't exist here. My experience here has helped me realize that I can do things that I never thought I could. So it gave me a new confidence in myself. Knowing that I could do those things means that I can move forward.